Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar Eye Candy. We'll love that from Justin Bieber. This is a very simple song, 3 chords, rolls in the same with the entire song. We'll love that scenario. Let's go into this without any capo. We're going to learn the chords and we're going to start with B. Okay, a little bit tricky for some. We have a bar chord here, so you're going to place the index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up. Like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 4th B. And if you don't want to incorporate all your fingers and very tight like I'm playing like now, you can just add a 2nd fret there or bar finger in front of on the 4th fret. So you're gonna play the ring finger or whatever finger you choose on the D, G, and B string like that. All right, that's the first chord. Next chord will be the F sharp minor 7. Again, a bar chord, still on 2nd fret. This time you need to push down all strings there, and then you need to add just the 4th fret A string. That's the F sharp minor 7, and we're gonna end off with this E chord. And E goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. Now let's learn how to handle these 3 chords. Starting with B, you have part 1 played on that one, so you're going to play just down, down, clap. That is a part 1 of this full string around. And then you shift chord to this F sharp minor and play part 2, which will be down, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay. So together it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Like this, slowly. And then you go into the final chord E and play both rounds there, both halves. So 1 full round, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. And there you have 1 round of the chord progression. So together, B, part 1, F sharp minor, part 2, and E, 1 full round like this. You play like that from the beginning till the end, like I promised, and that's so simple as it can be. Maybe a little bit tricky with these bar chords, but it's great to practice them. So good luck with that one, guys. Eye candy from Justin Bieber. Be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.